Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we will be talking about the some uh, how to say uh, pattern questions of the coding. So first coding question gonna be looking here that we have to print uh, four column and four rows and like a hash. So you have option that you can print it out for the print like four times, but it would be really frustrating and all. So better to use for loop for that instead. So loops under loops, so that would be really fun for you. So like say that the 4 I in range, uh, like range 4. So you're gonna start from the 0 to 3 and 4j in range 4 and print hash and print all those things gonna be printing up for you. And here that the question arises for us that how to print the right angle triangle, right, uh, in that way. So we have the things that 4 I in range, so why not to use the compiler here. So let me open the compiler for the Python, and then we'll be running the code, and let's try to see that is that working right or not for us. So for the Python that we have to use, so for I in range, I have to write for the colon, then for j in range, mm, till 4 till I, and then print hash, and and then let's try to run this. I think we got syntax error here. Print, now it run up for you. It says that hash, so maybe we have to use the column comma here. Again, try to run this. So it's asking for maybe this time. It's not running though. So where we mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, that would say that the equals to. Now try to run. Now it's running fine, but how to say, have to be starting from the +1. Now let's see. Now it's fine. Why we are doing the +1? Cause that we have to start from the +1 only. So it will, so that's the reason. Otherwise it will go from the 0 and the first line would be empty. So that's how the work uh, will be for us. And for I, let's try that. So if you 4 minus I write it down, so it's gonna print you for the negatively. And if I say that just 4, how it would be like 4 continuous way. And what if I say just I plus I plus 3. So it's doing that work. Let me again try to figure it out for the for I in range 4. Let's say this time 7, right? Column for j in range I. Print hash comma and equals to space. Now print it's running fine. Better use plus 1. Yeah, it's running fine here. Let's we remove this print. So tuna printing out for one line only. So print. Now it's perfect. So guys, we have seen for the today session that how the printing pattern works in the coding things. So tomorrow we will be solving some other questions of that, basic questions of the coding and all that I have discussed, right? That in upcoming videos we'll be talking about that and more for SQL things, queries and all, how to write the queries for that, all things have to be covered up. And that's all of my time for the today. See you on the next, catch you on the next. Till then, bye.